Hi guys! So today I'm going to be talking about colour correcting, what it is, how you do it. If you want to know all this stuff, you're in the right place. So let's get on with it. So colour correcting is a technique used in makeup to improve coverage. Colour correcting eliminates the darkness in the person's skin, so the person is then able to cover it with concealer or foundation and the darkness will be reduced. It will have a better result than just using concealer on its own. Colour correcting uses the colour wheel, so whatever colour you're trying to cover, opposite that colour is what you need to use to balance out the skin tone and get rid of the darkness, basically. Get rid of the colour that you want to get rid of. So I'll insert a picture of the colour wheel here. So if you use that to help you decide what colour you need to get. A range of different products are available when colour correcting. CC creams, primers that have different colours added to them to reduce the problem. As I said, colour correctors, you can get them in creams and liquid, and powders. Some powders that I've seen have all the different colours in, so you swirl your brush in it, apply it to your face, and it should balance out any problems on your skin. If you're not sure what colour to get, I recommend getting a palette of all of the colours that you can think of. This palette is a right mess and I've used it loads, as you can see. When applying colour corrector, I recommend either using your fingers, as the warmth of your fingers will soften the product and melt it into your skin easier. Or you can use a brush. I use a little concealer brush. Once you've applied your colour corrector, I use the yellow NYX cream. I used to use the liquid one, but I've changed to the cream because I feel like it stays in place better, whereas the liquid kind of went all over the place. Once you've used that and blended it out, then you can apply foundation, apply a thin layer over the area as well as to your whole face. You don't want to apply too a heavy coat to the area that you've used colour correcting, as it will go cakey. Then you need to cover the area with concealer. This will brighten it and match it to your skin tone completely. You may not need to apply it to the area, so if you've got a spot on your cheek, you might not need to apply this concealer to it, as this might just attract attention to the spot, as it would be highlighting it. Your concealer should be 2 shades lighter than your foundation, as it's used also as a highlighter. Once you've done that, you need to set it with powder. You should always set your makeup with powder, as otherwise it might slide all over your face and get in a hot mess, basically. So you need to set your face. So the different colours available. Green covers redness. So if you've got spots or rosacea, acne, a little bit of sunburn, or if you're flushed or broken capillaries, green will cover the redness, as green is opposite red on the colour wheel. There are different shades of green available to suit your skin tone, so if you have a darker skin tone, you potentially will need a different shade of green. When covering a spot, I warm up the product on my finger and then pat it onto my skin to focus on the area and blend it out, making it easier to cover with foundation. Purple cancels out yellow. I haven't used it very much. It eliminates dullness and sallowness. It will brighten complexion. Yellow is my most used colour, as you can see. Yellow cancels out purple. It's perfect for if you've got purple dark circles, really heavy dark circles. It will add a glow and warmth to your skin tone and will even it out. It can cut out ashiness from your skin tone, and I think yellow is really helpful colour to have, as well as green. Next we've got peach or orange. Peach and orange, pencil light blue. So again, dark circles if they're more on the bluey side, peach or orange. If you've got a darker skin tone, you might need coral or red. Peach and orange also cancel out age spots or veins, and they will add warmth and a healthy glow to cooler skin tones. You'll need to try out different products to see what works for you. Some colours may not work for you. Also, you don't need to overuse these products. A little bit goes a long way. So if you use too much of them, you will look cakey. So you need to apply them carefully. When they're used carefully, their results are great. Like, the impact they will have is amazing. So I hope that's helped you guys. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye!